Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the Teaching and Learning. Firstly, thank you so much for your subscription and appreciation and by putting your comments and liking my videos. So today I'm going to add another video about the proposed questions and answers. I'm sure these questions will help you in attempting the pedagogy test. So let's see what are these questions. Before that, if you didn't subscribe to Teaching and Learning, don't forget to subscribe. If you want more videos like that, press the bell icon button. Your comments and liking video will be highly appreciated. So let's see what are these questions and answers. So first is the question about the teaching approach, which is expository instruction, what exactly it is and what we do in this. It's actually a teaching approach in which learner has to decide and investigate the material or the information, and the learner has to make connection between the existing information and the prior information and the information is provided. So the question you can read here, which of the following instructional approaches involves using an expert, which could be the teacher or another expert, such as a textbook, or you can say the source of information, author, or educational video, to present information to students in a purposeful way that allows students to easily make connection from one concept to the next. So that you can see multiple instructions or teaching approach, differentiated direct instruction, and expository instructions, cooperative learning. So this is an expository in which learner has to decide and make connection between the information. Another one, if any one of your students arrives late into the classroom, what will be the best approach a teacher must comply? Inform the principal, inform the parents, ask the reason, and give the punishment. So there are many practices we do. However, the standard approach, or according to the education, that we ask the reason why, or find out the reason why students are late, and then the next step will be to inform the parents. Or so we have to be careful while we answer. Maybe some of you directly approach the parents, okay, so it's asked the reason why students late. The Waldorf Education approach encourages a balanced development of what I'll be explaining you in other video what exactly this approach it is, but this approach is applied for hand, heart, and head. So it encourages the balanced development of these three elements of the, or components of the, or senses of that. Another is the, which of the following should be used to increase the correct response and appropriate behavior of the student? Praise, reward, strictness, or punishment. So it's a reward. Through reward you can increase the appropriate behavior. Even through reward you can raise the attainment as well as you. Another one question is all the learning which is planned and guided by the school is known as what? Syllabus, curriculum, content, and aims and objective. It's a curriculum which is a combination of all. So you have to be careful while you are answering. These are the very close and they have a very strong connection with this. So school advise or guide the curriculum and content, and these are the part of the curriculum. So friends, these are the some questions which might help you in the pedagogy test. So you have to check it out. We'll be meeting with the new questions in this series or in this playlist with the new themes. So till that, bye. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and stay safe. Once again, don't forget to subscribe the Teaching and Learning. Your subscriptions is highly appreciated. Stay blessed and stay safe.